like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So this video was a request from one of my dear subscriber. He reached out to me on Instagram telling me to react on this song, and yeah, I'm down for it. So the name of the song is Westside and the artists are Dkhar featuring Donbok Hoojon, and it is Nongtrai Maram Khasi rap song, Northeast India. So this is coming in from Meghalaya. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in and dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what the brothers have for us on the table. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, Kuple Shibun for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. You know, it truly means a lot. Also do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back genuine followers. So this is my Instagram ID. Do hit me up in there. Hey, let's just jump straight into this music video and let's vibe into it. Come on, let's go. Maruti 800, Donbok, Christ King School, Rinaldi J Kharbani. Hey. Hey. Oh, I love the vibes. Hey, hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh, he got bars, man. Hey. Hey. No ILP, no rest. I think some issue is going on in there. Inner line permit, I think, yeah. Hey. Hey, tobacco. Hey. Okay. Man. Hey. 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 Come on, man, the vibes from the west side. Hey. Hey, gotta shine, gotta shine. Hey, hey. Gotta shine, gotta shine. Hey, step with the bars. Yeah, exactly, that's what I'm saying. You know, don't stab with the knife, stab with your bars, you know. Hey. Oh, she's beautiful. Hey. Hey. Come on, man. Hey. Westside, Westside. Gotta shine, gotta shine. That's what's up, man. It was a whole vibe. Westside. Shout out to the whole team out there. Westside. This was really a vibey music video, man. I really loved it. The flow, the message also was deep in here, though I did not elaborate it fully, but yeah, they got something to say, and they did have, you know, flow and the bars, you know, the cadence was also really good, and yeah man, the cinematography was also amazing. And yeah, shout out to the whole team. And guys, if you haven't watched the original music video yet, please go and watch. The link is in the description. Go and show them your love. And yeah, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing, you guys are awesome. Hey, Northeast for life, here we go. Dang.